Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Mautic, which is an open source marketing automation platform that is actually going to help businesses with the email campaigning, lead management, and customer tracking. So if you are considering it for your business, you can check out the link in the description for more details. So first of all, Mautic is a free open source marketing automation tool that lets you create the personalized email campaigns. With the help of it, you will be able to track your customers' behavior and automate the lead nurturing. So it is designed for the businesses who are actually looking for a customizable alternative to the paid solutions like HubSpot and the Active Campaign. So here, if I talk about its pros, so it is absolutely free. Since it is open source, you don't need to have to pay for a subscription. You will get highly customizable options, so you can modify and tailor it to fit your business needs. You will also get some of the advanced automation features here. So there are some of the features like drip campaigns, lead scorings, and segmentation that can help you improve your marketing efficiencies. Now here are some of the cons that you need to consider. Like, since it is open source, you may require some technical knowledge. Unlike any other plug and play tool out there, Mautic needs the setup and the maintenance, often require the hosting and coding experience, and you will also get very limited support from here. So because it is open source, there is no official customer support available, but there is a community forum that can actually help you with your problem. So if you are looking for a powerful and cost effective marketing automation tool, and if you don't mind handling some technical setup, Mautic is a great option for you. It offers the flexibility and features of the premium platforms without the high price tag. So if you want to check it out, you can just use the link that is given in the description. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.